Hello, everyone. It's Aquila here from the Digital Content Creation School. I'm the course coordinator, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you how excited I am for the Black November sale. For the month of November, Janelle has decided to give you the opportunity to save 75% on a lot of our programs, including the paid pitch. So if you've ever been checking out a program, thinking about getting it, this is the best time to do so. Hundreds of people have already taken advantage of this amazing promo and they understand the value. They understand that after November, they're going to be paying full price. And another thing is, we're retiring a lot of these programs. So after 2019, you won't be able to have access to them again. So get them now before they're gone. I just wanted to show you a few of the programs that we're going to be offering. They are some of your faves. I have seen so many emails of people asking, oh, when is this going to go on sale? Is this ever going to go on sale? And my answer has always been no. But Janelle decided to give you this amazing value and this amazing sale so that you can feel supported and get ready for 2020. So let me show you the list of courses that we're going to be offering. So we have, for our Black November sale, we have Mom Boss, one of my favorite programs. Okay, every program's my favorite, but this is a great course if you are a mom and you have little ones and you want to create content that's geared towards moms with little ones. This course tells you how to create content from not just ideation, but to actualization. Then there's the blogger blueprint. So many great gems in this program, lots of recordings and a lot of, you know, thought-provoking content that will get you thinking about becoming a digital content creator. Then we have the Content Creation Prep School, amazing program for anyone who's just starting out and you really want to figure out what your niche is, what goals you have, and what your competition is doing. Then we have Dropping Gems. That's exactly what it is. Janelle's dropping gems in a bunch of videos so you can actually listen to them as a podcast or watch them as like a video. But they have so much like great information that you can use to get started. How to get more followers on Instagram, a super powerful program that tells you how to get 1,000 followers every month. There's over 20 videos, 6 quizzes to get you started. Level up your blog in 60 days. That's a course that we're going to be retiring. And that course will teach you how to really write a blog post in 30 minutes, how to create amazing headlines, and how to take your blog to the next level. Level Up Your Brand does the same, but more of a focus on brands. Master Canva will teach you how to create your own graphics instead of spending thousands of dollars with graphic designers. Master your email list. Like, it says it all. If you have an email list and you're not making money, this is the program for you, because an email list is equal to money. There's so much money to be made simply on your email list. It's something that you own and it's super powerful. Master your media kit. If you're a digital content creator, you need a media kit. And this course guides you step by step for people who don't have large numbers and people who have large numbers. So there's 2 templates, one for people who don't have many, brand partnerships or high numbers on Instagram. And that template will give you an amazing presentation to brands so you can feel, more confident. Then we have passive income. Who wants to make money in their sleep? Me. This program teaches you how. There's so many avenues to make money in your sleep, and this program teaches you how. The paid pitch. Everybody loves the paid pitch, and the paid pitch is going for 50% off. This does not include mentorship calls with Janelle, but you do get 8 different coaching sessions. So it's a bit of a change to the program, but it's simply because it's on sale. The Pitch Bootcamp is an amazing introduction to the paid pitch. If you don't think you're ready for the paid pitch yet, the Pitch Bootcamp is a great place to start. It helps you really get into thinking about how brands think about pitching. Then the Quick Pitch is an amazing program for people who are pitching brands but not really getting much success. And you may have already done the paid pitch or you haven't. This is a great entry point. All of these are 75% off. Can you believe that? 75% off. And all you have to use is the code BLACK at checkout. So go to the janellebstewart.teachable.com. Let me pull it up for you. And when you go to that page, you'll see all of the courses that we have available. Those are the only ones that are on sale. If it's not showing there, it's not on sale. Okay? So these are all of the programs. So we have the prep school, the paid pitch, dropping gems, and all you have to do is click the program that you want. So you click it, enroll now. And then at checkout, you'll see a little slot for a coupon code. add coupon, and then all you have to type in is the code BLACK. And you'll see, boom, the price drops by 75%. And you'll also be able to see some amazing reviews on the side. So that's how you shop our Black November sale. I'm so excited to see all of your enrollments on my desk. If you have any questions, email me, Aquila@JanelleBStewart, AQUILA@JanelleBStewart.com. I'm so excited to see you win in 2020. Have a great one. Bye for now.